I don't think right now they have the will to change. If they had the will to change, Mr. Srinivasan should have owned moral responsibility and stepped down till all the probe is over. As my friend just now said,
Absolutely correct.
he's conveniently changing sides. One day he says Guru Mayappan is the principal, the other day he's no more the principal, he's only an honorary member or something like that. All this is not acceptable. I mean, this is why I've challenged it right from the beginning when he was treasurer about this conflict of interest, and at last the case is coming up on the 16th of July, and I wouldn't like to comment much on that. But on the betting front, although it is illegal in India, even if it is legalized, the insiders, like my friend said about stewards are not allowed. I've also been into racing. I've been the chairman of the Madras Turf Club. See, the stewards and their relatives should not be involved in betting. It is matter of ethics. You are privy to a lot of information, and how can you be involved in betting? So that prohibition should be there. The insiders should not be allowed to bet. And on fixing, you know my views on fixing and how stern action I took at that time, and after that everything was relaxed. So unless you are bent to take stern action on fixing, this will go on and on like this. See, that time when I took that stern action, everyone internationally, presidents of different boards in Australia, South Africa, everyone sent me messages, and it has gone on record that India is the only country which has taken a robust action. And it is on record to say that. But now what has happened? And India is so shameful of what is happening in India today, and I am very much pained.
Precisely. Listen to all this, Mr. Aslam Ghoni. Listen to all this very keenly, Atul Vasan, because you've been defending the board as well. I mean, tonight it's been one full week. I don't think after this, people will forgive you, Mr. Aslam Ghoni, or the board of which you are such a proud member and you get so many benefits from. People of this country are not going to forgive you if you think that you're so arrogant that you can get away with anything. So, Mr. Aslam Ghoni, my question is to you tonight,
I have one point.
which I started out with.
I have one point.
And I think I want to close on this particular point. Do you think, Mr. Aslam Ghoni, you and other members of the BCCI have... Yes, Mr. Mutaya, you're saying something, Mr. Mutaya? Yes.
Yeah. You see, what the BCCI should do now is, you have a number of stalwarts. You have Arun Jaitley, you have the Chief Minister, the former Chief Minister of J&K. You have all great stalwarts on the board. Why are they not calling an emergency board meeting, working committee meeting, and take a decision? They should call for an emergency board meeting at this time, because this becomes, it's become tremendous disrepute to the board has happened. So this is the time when they should all wake up and call for a meeting and take prompt action.
Precisely. Why are they all watching for this to come down like a pack of cards? Why are they watching? Exactly. Why are they watching this continue? What more? How many more exposés would you need, Mr. Ghoni? I'm asking you this with all sincerity. You're a member of the board, but you're also answerable to the people of this country. What are you waiting for? What more do you want?
And will you please hear for a while without interruption? See, Arnab, the point I was conveyed today that you are holding the debate on is the betting and fixing, what I was told. But here I feel that it's more of personal things and more of personal interest on the point. I tell you, see, if you see the law in India is, there is one Public Gambling Act, which is the initial act, which is a very old act, and this act only makes an offence to of a person who runs on somebody's behalf a gambling house. Then we got the online betting. online
What are you saying?
betting
No,
works.
I'm sorry.
under
I'm
the-
sorry. I'm
Please,
sorry.
please,
I'm
please,
sorry. I
please,
really think.
please,
I
please.
really think, Mr. Ghoni.
you don't-
Mr.
you
Ghoni.
don't-
No, I'm really
that
tired
is
of
the
these
problem.
super
That is
technical
the problem.
arguments. No, it's a lie. I'm telling you.
No, what
do
is
you
super
believe?
technical
Do you
argument?
believe Chennai Super Kings?
Arnab-
Gurunath is not the team owner.
Arnab,
No, is Gurunath the team owner or not? No, you are a member of the BCCI.
I don't know.
This,
He's not.
This pass which I have shows Gurunath is the team owner.
No,
is he the team owner or not?
No.
Is he the
I
team
don't know.
owner
I
or
got
not?
nothing to do with IPL.
You have
I
the
don't know who's
BCCI chief's company.
team owner. I don't know.
The BCCI chief's company saying he's not the team owner.
What
this
is
accreditation which I
so
am
what-
holding
what is-
designates him as the
Arnab,
Chennai Super Kings
Arnab, what
team
is
owner.
with you?
Is
What
he
is
the
with
team
you,
owner or
Arnab?
not?
Please, then you say that you lose cool. What is with you, Arnab, to show that he's team owner? What is with you to show? Why are you making a fallacious point? What
I'm
is
showing
with
it
you
to you.
If
There's a
somebody is
pass
saying that
which
he's
shows he's the
not,
team owner.
if somebody is saying he's
2008
not,
IPL
how
pass
you can
shows
say
he's the
that he's...
team owner.
Please, see, it is not
he
where.
the principal?
Give me
is
evidence.
he the principal
Give me evidence.
of the Chennai
Please,
Super Kings
Arnab,
team or
Arnab,
not?
please listen.
Today,
listen,
India
listen,
Cements
please,
is
Arnab,
saying he's
Arnab,
not the principal
Arnab,
of
today
the
I want to
Chennai
make
Super
a...
Kings. Everywhere is identified
I want to make
as the
a point
principal of the
before you,
Chennai
Arnab.
Super Kings.
I want to make a point
Mr.
before you,
Ghoni,
Arnab.
I am asking you this. Let's get...
It is
one
not-
second. Mr. Ghoni, Rahul Narvekar. You know, Rahul, there can't be two versions of the truth. This is a classic situation that there is an attempt to draw a line today between Gurunath and Chennai Super Kings. And you are a mute witness
The answer to
to
your
this
question,
attempt to draw a line between Gurunath and Chennai Super Kings, thinking you'll
No,
pull
why-
wool over
why
their
are
the
you-
eyes.
answer to your question
you
is
are-
very
Arnab,
simple.
please,
The answer
please.
is convenience.
You have
When
not
it was
heard me.
convenient for Mr.
Arnab,
when it was
you don't want to hear anything which is reasonable. You just want to hear ipsy-dixy. You
Listen
just want to
Rahul
hear...
Narvekar. I have listened to you, Rahul Narvekar. Go ahead.
the answer to your question is very simple. The answer is convenience. When it was convenient for Mr. Srinivasan to draw himself out of the controversy of there being a conflict of interest, he said, I am not the owner, my son-in-law is the owner. Today when he sees his son-in-law in a
Exactly.
spot, he says,
Yeah.
my son-in-law has nothing to do with this team. I'm just amazed to see that a person who has nothing to do with the team goes for auctions and selects players. It's really strange to see how CSK functions.
This cannot be done in one day. This cannot be done in this must be on the
This
paper.
has not
Who's
been
the
done in
owner,
one day.
who's
This
the
has
CEO of
happened
this?
overnight. This has happened
It
in a
must be
couple of
all in
hours.
Paper. No. How come? I don't take it.
Till yesterday, we had people saying on record, he's the principal of the
Closing
team.
comments, YP Singh. Closing comments,
No,
YP Singh clearly.
people
Chennai
saying who have
Super
no
Kings is
knowledge,
worried
who
that
have
if
no
Gurunath
knowledge,
Mayappan
who are
falls
just on
into trouble,
hearsay.
it does not want any of that trouble to come upon itself. One second, YP Singh, Boria, I'll come back to you. You see, please don't try and pull wool over people's
please,
eyes.
Arnab, please listen
This is
to
not
me.
this is
And
not the
so
India
far
of
as the question is
1993.
concerned
You know, when
about
you had
the
a
right
free
of
run of the
interest,
Indian cricket
I'm
board and
trying
nobody
to
was
tell you
answerable to
the
you.
law-
whatever you have been
This
saying,
country has changed.
this
Mr.
The law
Narvekar.
is very
You want to
clear.
sit in that chair and be
no one has
BCCI
any
technical
right to
committee
The
and
law-
that, you're going to have to answer these questions.
The law
Yes,
is
Mr.
very
YP
clear.
Singh.
The law is very clear.
please, 20 seconds.
Company by itself is a lifeless entity, but the company is held responsible by the acts done by its servants or nominees. Now, if he was working for the CSK, it is Gurunath who is responsible for that. And if the India Cements divorces itself from Gurunath, it is something they can never get away with it. There are hundreds and hundreds of prosecutions which are going on for the companies for the deeds done by their nominees or by their servants, and therefore under any circumstance India Cements cannot come out of it. It is a gimmick. It was a game plan to bluff the credible people of our country, but fortunately people of the country are wise and they will not accept such fake gimmicks being done by Srinivasan and his company.
How many
Yes,
people
Boria.
are watching today the semi-final in Calcutta?
Arnab, 20 seconds.
They love the game, not Srinivasan for sure.
Yes, Boria.
Mr. Boria is much shocked about the viewers. Ask Mr. Boria that how many people have been watching the IPL today in the semi-final.
Yeah, they are cricket lovers. They are not Srinivasan lovers.
Don't be arrogant about that. Don't reflect that arrogance, Mr. Aslam Ghani.
Despite the
Don't show that arrogance. Don't show that arrogance. How many people are watching? Don't show that arrogance. Are you saying that just...
Arnab,
I am not saying arrogance. I am telling you a
may I
fact,
answer
Mr.
that? I'll answer
Boria.
that.
You have been crying at the top of your voice.
I'll answer that.
I am telling you a fact.
I'll answer that. Why don't you? I'll answer that.
I am telling you a fact. If you have chosen to be aware, this is what
I am
Honorable
telling-
Supreme Court said. Honorable Supreme
I am-
Court said the petitioner
I am
that if you are
answering-
so
Let Boria
unhappy with
speak.
IPL, don't watch
Boria
IPL.
speak.
He told him. That is the order of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Mr. Goni, I'm answering both. I'm answering both your questions. Arnab, Mr. Goni first asked
you
you,
are, look,
how
look,
do you
Mr.
know?
Boria, we have to be
How do you know? Hold on.
You cannot
Hold on.
make such big
I am telling you.
allegations. You know, let
allegation?
investigation reveal
What
everything.
allegation?
Whatever comes out.
No, what
You are
allegation?
not a
Oh, hold on, hold on.
investigator. I am
Hold
not.
on.
Arnab is not. Investigation
Mr.
is
Goni-
going on. They are sitting
Mr.
inside.
Goni-
The questioning is going on. Questioning
Arnab,
is going on.
Mr. Goni asked you, how do we know? Mr. Goni asked you, how do you know that Mr. Mayappan is the principal of Chennai Super Kings? How do we know he's the owner? You and I don't know. The accreditation wasn't given to
I
him
don't know.
by Times
I don't
Now.
know.
It was
I
given
don't
to
know.
him by the BCCI. It was given to him by the BCCI, so you better know. It was given to him by the BCCI, of which you are a member.
Representative. You are talking like a
Look,
representative
it was
of
given to
Times
you.
Now.
It was given to Mr. Mayappan by the BCCI.
I don't know. That must
The
be your
clinching
personal knowledge.
evidence-
I don't have any knowledge about it. That must
It
be
is
your
on the-
personal
it
knowledge.
is
Mr.
on your
Boria, that
screen.
what has
I'll tell you
been
one
given to
thing,
Times
It
Now,
is
what has
on,
not been
no,
given to Times Now.
not at
I don't know
all.
anything
It is
about it.
not at all.
Before
It is on your
I
screen.
wrap up,
It is on your
Mr.
screen.
Aslam Ghani, you are Mr. Aslam Ghani. Mr. Aslam Ghani, this is an interesting program. I just want 1 second,
Yes, very
gentlemen. Please,
interesting. I'm
it's a
enjoying
Friday
it
evening.
always,
We've been
Arnab.
investigating the
And I
story
know-
and talking about it for some
I
time.
know, you know,
see,
because
Mr.
of that,
Ghani,
I'm
you are a
always
much more
at your
experienced
beck and
man,
call, Arnab.
man of great experience. I am not. But let me say this. You know what happens when you lie once, you end up lying again. Then you lie a second time, then you have to
No,
lie 5
who's
more
lying?
times.
Who's
And then
lying,
eventually you
Arnab?
tie yourself up in knots. My sincerest advice to the Chennai Super Kings and Srinivasan and Gurunath
Let me tell you very
is, if
frankly.
you messed up, if
Yes,
you made
I
a
tell
mistake,
you
don't try
that
it. Don't try and clean it up.
Don't indulge in
Don't
character
try and pretend
assassination.
today that people
Yes,
will believe
let the
everything
thing
that
come
you put out.
Let
They
the
will
thing
ask the
come out.
questions. Yes,
If
Atul.
Guru's name came,
Who's tying
Guru had
themselves
to
up in
come.
knots,
He had
Atul,
to
the
go to
BCCI?
I've heard a lot.
Mayappan, Srinivasan, Bindu, or who else?
But I must say that, you know, the most sane and coherent voice on the show today was Mr. Muthaiya. You know, and I'm glad that you allowed him to finish what he had to say. And he had a lot of good points. We all know that it would have been the higher moral ground if the head honchos of CSK and the board and
Muthaiya is a party with
stepped down,
Mr.
stepped aside
Muthaiya,
till the
please don't forget,
time
Mr. Muthaiya is a party.
the inquiry was going on,
He's
because we
fighting
know
a
there is
case
some
with Mr.
fire, the
Srinivasan.
smoke is coming out. So we're not saying that who is right and wrong
his
this time, you know, and
comments
it's going to be
cannot be
permanent.
taken as,
If tomorrow, after this inquiry comes out and it's found that there is nothing wrong with what Mr. Mayappan was doing, they can always reinstate it. The world is not going to end. So you're right. I mean, we expect utopia is not there. Till the time person, you know, wakes up and smells the coffee and realizes that he's sending wrong signals to be in the helm and trying to control things, which is looking bad at this point. And it would have been better if we can just step aside for some time and let things cool down and see where it goes. And then the board and the working committee can take a decision whether what was wrong and right. And you know, the points are clearly written down. If you have not been on the straight and narrow, you've got to pay the price for it.
Yes, yes. Whosoever is there, he has to pay price
Well,
for it.
gentlemen, we will not agree. I know that. But when every side
Why-
is
why
angry
do-
with you,
why are you so
when
sure
people
about not
can't take
agreeing?
tough questions and they walk out of your
Arnab,
show
why
and
do you
others
want
avoid,
somebody to
I
agree
think
what you say?
we at times now are
Why
doing
do you want
something right.
somebody to
Thank
agree
you
with
very
what
much,
you say?
gentlemen. Thank you, Mr. Muthaiya. It's great to see you after a long time. Wish you best of luck in your own cases as well.
Thank you.